From PLCs to MQTT brokers, your plant is generating massive amounts of data. But that data rarely reaches the people who need it most. This is the execution gap. Signals stay in OT systems, action stays on the floor. The link is missing. That's why your data doesn't stop downtime. MaintainX closes the gap. It's the work execution layer for your unified namespace, turning OT signals into timely maintenance and enriching your data with human context from the shop floor.
I love that MaintainX is here because the reality is, I don't know how you guys figured out that being one part of a much larger whole, being a node in an ecosystem, producing and consuming into an ecosystem is the path. That's what this community is all about, and you guys clearly get it. So yes, I'm stoked that you guys are here.
Trusted by over 13,000 industrial companies.
It helps our team stay on top of things and try to remedy any deficiencies in a quick and effective manner.
It's very user-friendly that you don't seem to find with some of the other types of software.
Actually been able to quadruple our output from our technicians. We're getting a lot more work done without having to increase the headcount.
With world-class user experience and AI assistance, MaintainX makes it easy for frontline teams to act on data. That's how you reduce downtime, improve reliability, and deliver measurable ROI from your digital transformation. MaintainX, the work execution layer for your unified namespace.